Growing up, I played a lot of sports. I did all-star cheerleading, soccer, basketball, and lacrosse. When I was 13 years old, I had myocarditis of the heart, and I was treated at Boston Children's Hospital. The last month of school, I wasn't feeling well. I had like body aches all over, like constant migraines and like chest pain.
We went into the ER, and next thing I know, a whole triage team of like 20 people are on top of her. And she was pronounced dead twice on the table then. And they were doing CPR, and it was very overwhelming to see such a young child sitting there fighting for her life at that time.
So Atiana had a rare sudden inflammation of her heart, and this caused a series of abnormal rhythms that took her to have multiple cardiac arrests.
When I first started looking after Atiana in the cardiac ICU, she was in a state where she was not doing anything purposeful. She was lying in the bed. She didn't really seem to have an awareness of her situation at all, or any awareness of her surroundings at all. But every day she seemed to get a little bit better. She seemed to improve slightly, and one of the things I remember the most about this situation was when her friend came to visit her. She couldn't communicate, but she could look at that friend, and that really, I think, was the turning point for me that really gave me hope that she was in there, and we just needed to get her back with us.
You know, I've always wanted to go into the medical field ever since I was younger. Some of the nurses at BCH really motivated me. They're just, everything I aspire to be.
I think what inspires me the most about Atiana was the strength and perseverance she had to, just overcome all the obstacles she found in her way, because it was not an easy journey.
I think she is going to have a terrific advantage in nursing because she's been through this, and so she can predict what her patients are going to need. I think she's going to be a wonderful nurse, and I'm so proud of her.
My advice to the kids that face some type of medical challenge is set small goals for yourself. I set a goal to get out of bed that day, to practice to walk, to practice to run. Stay focused, on your big goal, but remember to set small goals for sure.